Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to blur your videos in Alight Motion. If you're new to Alight Motion and you don't know how to blur your videos in it, I'm gonna show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Alight Motion app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to create a new project, or simply click on Projects to open your existing project. Now as you can see, this is the video in my project. Now to add the blur, simply click on the video and you can see different options right here. Select the effect option at the bottom right. Now click on add effect and here choose the blur. You can see different option of blur here. Simply choose the inner blur and click on standard settings. And just like that, we have added blur to our video in Alight Motion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.